niya yung...
Yeah, yung naka-wheelchair yan, pupunta sa...
Kasama mo ba ito sa na-blacklist?
Yes, Your Honor.
On what basis?
Non-submission din po of reports. At saka nung mga deficiencies nila, may mga iba pa rin mga liquidated din sila.
Di ba, ang isa mo din sa requirement is kailangan ng MOA. Was there an instance na pumirma ho kayo sa MOA?
There might be instances when I'm the OIC, Your Honor.
Siguro kay Mr. Luy, may natatandaan ba kayo na si Director General Cunanan ang pumirma ng MOA?
Sir, madam, kung ipakita po yung documents, so pwede ko ma-identify na pumirma po si, na nag-enter into agreement po si Director Cunanan, di ba?
Okay. And you said after 2010, wala nang PDAF na nakukuha ang TRC. So anong source of funding ng TRC ngayon?
2008 po kami na wala sa minuto. May regular functions po ang TRC. Dalawa nga po yung line of operations namin. Technology, information, dissemination. Ito po yung mga livelihood materials namin, tsaka livelihood trainings. Plus meron kami ng technology utilization and commercialization. Ito po yung rollout. Commercial rollout ng applicable technologies for entrepreneurial development. Aside from that po, dahil nga binanggit ko kanina, meron kaming lending function before. And with this lending function, may mga na-foreclose kami mga properties which are now part of our operational activities na kung saan pinagkakakitaan namin in terms of leasing, in terms of pagpapagamit namin ng property or joint venture programs. So we're getting our income from that, Your Honor.
Sa DAP po ba may nakuha ang TRC?
I don't have records with me, Your Honor, because I was asked to prepare for this investigation.
When you say na you don't have the records, so pwedeng merong nakuha sa DAP?
Most likely, Your Honor. Pwede. We'll verify, Your Honor.
Sige. And how did you get the position as Executive Director General of TRC?
Director General, Your Honor.
Hindi. Kasi di ba you started 2004?
Deputy, sir. Deputy. Your Honor.
Deputy.
Yeah,
So,
yes,
did you apply for it? Or may nag-recommend pa sa'yo?
No, Your Honor. What happened is, when I was first appointed as Deputy Director General in December of 2004, the instruction to me then is to look into the operations of the center, either to close it properly or to turn it around, because the deputy position was not in the plantilla. So I was asked to come in to be part of the change management team. Basically, either we can rationalize or we will just close it down. So it's when it was rationalized that we were able to put in place the positions, the qualification standards, obviously.
I guess you recommended na to retain yung existence ng TRC.
I did, Your Honor.
Tapos, so, kailan mo nagsimula na nag-deal with NGOs ang TRC?
Your Honor, even way back, nagagawa na nila yun ng TRC eh. Kasi yung mandate ko niya, dahil nasa livelihood development siya, plus technology rollout. Kasi kailangan mo yan, pag nag-technology rollout ka, you need like partners, you need private sector partners, you need the NGO partners. Dahil minsan, hindi basta-basta may bigay sa taong bayan yan. Minsan, ang immediate na hesitation nila is, why will I do that? Hindi pa siya proven and tested, parang ganun. So, you know yung levels of partnership.
Tapos meron kayo accreditation process for the NGOs?
Way back, wala. Now we have.
So up to now, you still, dealings pa rin kayo with NGOs?
Wala ho, pero sinet up ko natin yan nung umupo tayo as Director General.
Pero bakit pa ako set up kung wala na namang intention na?
Binanggit ko nga ako kanina kay Senator Ko, di ba? Part of the measures that you have to put in place to address the gaps that were happening before. Dati ang process lang talaga is through the Legislative Liaison Office. The Legislative Liaison Office, we have, meron ko siyang parang listahan na tinitignan doon yung mga criteria. Pag nag-comply na doon sa criteria, then nagtutuloy na yung business.
So, itong time niya wala nang NGO nakatransaksyon ang TRC?
Kung meron man nakatransaksyon ng TRC na may NGO, it will comply.
Ang question ko, kung meron pang katransaksyon ang TRC na NGOs?
As of now, on my record, Your Honor, wala akong hawak.
Okay, imposible naman hindi nyo alam, kayo mo yung Director General.
Nung sa akin na ho, ang transactions na monitor po namin, Your Honor, is to make sure that yung mga spillover na natira dun sa mga problema ng mga NGOs dati, ma-clarify, maayos, at matapos. If that is the dealings, yes, we're
I guess
doing that.
siguro ang tanong ay, wala na bang pondo na napupunta
Wala po.
sa NGOs during your term?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So wala na akong NGOs talaga.
Kasi wala na po kami pitak, Your Honor.
Pero sabi mo may luck ka, di ba?
I'll check on the DAP issue, Your Honor.
Sige, thank you, Mr.